Hi. I'm Fuse, Mr. Producer.
Fuse, Mr. Producer.
And music to me is not art, it's not a career, it's a way of life. It's my life. I'm not here to just spit some, deep shit and form poetic and all that. I'm here to say the truth. Music is all I've got. It's my hustle, it's my blood. I'm about to take you guys to my world. I hope you guys enjoy it. Man and Machine, the one-man band, Mashup Gang, Fuse, Mr. Producer, classes on session. I'm a man of few words, so I'm just gonna let the music speak.
Fuse, Mr. Producer.
But that's all that. That's how Missa, your girlfriend, and follow me, go, I know you miss that. The girls in rugged, the girls in this, and Missa.
Fuse, Mr. Producer.
They should be to me, hell boy. Look me less, I look me well, boy. Gala flows on the world, boy. My money like Gary Jebu, my money that's well, boy. Biggie Papa, Kappa, Deliani. Wama Leko, Wama Luluya. If you ain't a talking about money, Joko Shiburu, come to me, well. I'm gonna go smooth, and you can't spot. It belongs to look up, you can't just spot. And you old school, it's Susu Tiger. Gonna the taste, all up my manga fiber. I'm girls in rugged, it's girls in this, and pizza. All on the decoration, the body me, and Jamisa. But that's all that. That's a Missa, your girlfriend, and follow me, go, I know you miss that. Hey, when you like back every day, egg roll. If you fuck with me, you on the death row. You see me kerosene, all about the bankroll. Everybody show me where they down, so me petrol.
Having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a ain't one. I got buzz. Jack tell me buzz. Jack tell me buzz.
Fuse, Mr. Producer.
They should be to me, hell boy. Look me less, I look me well, boy. Gala flows on the world, boy. My money like Gary Jebu, my money that's well, boy. Biggie Papa, Kappa, Deliani. Wama Leko, Wama Luluyali. If you ain't talking about money, Joko Shiburu, come to me, well. Flow like notorious, yet we glorious. When we the gun, the boss, nobody's glorious. Kicking the door, whipping the 4-4. The street is what the street is so for. The spirit giving you look alone for. I shoot myself, I kill them all for. One can pull like a territorial pen, territorial pen, schedule a rope.
When somebody respects you as a champion, you need to respect it too. You hear me? When you don't respect the person, a champion, I'm a champion too. It's just like I never have a title. I'm a champion, I'm undefeated. So I took my respect from you. That's why I call you. Okay, let's do it. I think you say you got something. Okay, I got something too. Let's do it. Let's show the world who is the best between me and you.